Hey everybody, this is Poppy. I'm out here in the garden today, and I wanted to share a new product with you that we've been working really hard on over the last 6 months, developing a situation where you will be able to create your own pure worm castings any place, as long as you can keep them above 50 degrees and below 90. And it's Poppy's Endless Cup of Castings. It comes with 25 of our cultured night crawlers and enough bedding for 2 months of worm castings, and it'll produce about 11 ounces of pure worm castings every 2 weeks. In fact, we used one of these yesterday to plant 12 feet of beans. That's pretty crazy, that just one of these. And so the neat thing is, of course, you can have more than one farm. You can produce all you want, but it's simple, it's easy, it's simple to manage. You don't have to worry about them crawling out. You don't take any special training, any special areas. You guys, I'm excited for you to be able to try these, be able to have pure worm castings just like you would buy from us, only being able to produce them yourself and getting all the benefits of creating tea, furnishing your yard, your plants, your flowers, and it's all simply done with just one of our little worm farms. Again, Poppy's Endless Cup of Castings. We hope you get one when they come available. Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like and share this post with everybody. We want some feedback from you. Appreciate you. Happy gardening.